Hey friends, Jennifer here with Monroe Family Farm. Today I am with my two lovely children, Alexia and Zion. We're here in Thomasville. I heard that there is a huge tree that is actually a historical landmark that's here in Thomasville. So I thought I'd take the kids, and then of course I wanted to bring you guys along so you can see it with us. So this tree, hey kids, so this tree is 338 years old.
What?
It is spread across 155 feet. It's 70 feet high, and the trunk is 27 feet circumference, and it is a live oak tree. That's what's considered. And this just tells you a little bit
About the big tree.
Well, the International Society of Arboriculture. So it is a significant tree in the Arborist Association, which is very cool. And what does this say? Placed on this landmark and historical, the register. So they registered this in 2017. So it's not that long ago that they actually registered it. But if you see, I mean, this tree is so crazy, windy, and
How big am I?
go stand at the base of the tree over there, both of you.
You know, when Indians were around, they used to like tie the trees in the weird ways. So I wonder if that's why it's like that.
Really?
Yeah.
They tied them?
Yeah, like they tied certain portions off and then, you know, let it grow in really weird ways. I don't
That's-
quite remember why, but I remember reading about that in school.
That's very interesting. That's a good possibility. Well, you can see that they tied this up right here so it wouldn't fall, so it keeps it nice and secured. Actually, all of the big ones are tied to keep them secure if there's ever like severe weather, stuff like that. This one over here is tied as well. Look at that. Yes, you're not allowed. They ask that we do not climb the tree.
Respect her age.
You have to respect her age, it says, yes. But look at these limbs.
I wonder, I bet the roots.
It would be fun to climb this though, wouldn't it?
Really would.
Oh my gosh.
Imagine from up there, man. I know how to climb it. I can just jump on top of you, Zion.
No, Zion, please. See, they even have it strapped with cords and stuff just to keep it very secured. But look at the way it's growing. Isn't that wild?
That is insane.
It's so like long, and
It looks like a fallen tree.
it does look like it fell or something, but that's just the way it's growing.
Hey, that's it. Come here.
Weird.
Come here.
Wow. This has got to be, I think this is probably the biggest tree I've ever seen.
Definitely the biggest tree I've ever.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen another tree this big before.
That's it. Like, whoa, that's really fast, but whoa, that tree is big.
Big tree.
I bet rats and stuff. Look up. Big tree. Mom, look over here. Look at all the ferns and everything growing on top of it. Hey, Mom, that looks
I
like
wonder
it
how
got
many
cut
squirrels
like that.
made their homes.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, I already saw one squirrel for sure.
Looks like it
Wow,
got
and look
cut.
at those.
Mom.
Yeah, there's one over here that's been cut and one on the other side. It was probably going over the road or something and they couldn't secure it, so they had to cut a limb.
Or it was going on that person's bippity boppity.
This one maybe, yeah. But the one on the other side.
I bet I can touch it.
You can touch it, you just don't climb it.
Look, it's a little old one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a spiny orb weaver.
Yeah.
Where do you even see it? That little itty bitty
Right there in
thing?
the
Oh my
middle.
gosh, it's tiny.
Yeah, they are tiny.
Thank goodness.
And
Yeah.
going down the street.
It's wild. Absolutely just crazy how it grows. I've never seen a tree grow like this before. Just so like
I think an older tree.
low
Well,
and
there's the
spread.
window in that
Sure.
Oh. You want to go over to the gazebo?
We're allowed to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Don't touch her. Oh, thank you. Wait. Don't step on it, Zion.
I don't think we're allowed to.
No, we can go to the gazebo.
How cool would it be to have this tree in your yard? Man, that.
Bet they do a lot of weddings over here.
Alexia, Mom, we're not allowed to go over. Yes.
Oh, but then again, they have the cut through here. So, anyway, it's just a really cute gazebo that they have over here. Oh, what does this say? Let's see. This gazebo was built circa 1912. Wow.
Oh, gazebo.
It was actually in Meigs, Georgia.
In Georgia?
Oh no. This gazebo was built circa 1912 for the J. N. Carter residence in Meigs, Georgia, which is right down the road from us, basically. We're like 2 minutes from Meigs. Otto Carter, widow Olabelle Duran, with the consent of her children, gave this gazebo for restoration and use on the site. Wow, so this gazebo was originally in Meigs, Georgia, and then they had moved it. I wonder how they did that.
Did you get
Huh.
up by the ground?
No way, do you see how big this thing is?
No.
Eventually, this tree right here is going to be, all these trees here are going to be as big as that one over there. Just incredible.
That's a big tree.
It is huge. Standing over here and like looking that way at it is just a pretty massive tree. Like it goes that way.
Look at the car over there. Look
Yeah.
at the car over there.
It's
I bet the
It's
camera
massive.
doesn't do it justice.
So while we were out today, we stopped at a few stores. We went and did some school shopping just for shoes. The kids have plenty of clothes that they still fit into that we got right before summer started. So I don't really feel like I need to spend all that extra money on clothing. Maybe just get them, you know, a shirt or something, a pair of shorts, but nothing major because we already did all of that big shopping. But they did need some new shoes. So they each got 2 new pairs of shoes. Hopefully they last for a while. I always try to get them like a size or 2 bigger because on kids you just can't tell. And they last longer that way. So they're growing like weeds. But something that we found while we were out, because we stopped at, it was called Shoe Depot. That's where we got their shoes. Then we stopped at a Dollar Tree, which was literally attached to that. And we picked up a couple of toys for the puppies. But then we stopped at a Dollar General because I had to pick something up to eat really quick. Just something quick to make. And I finally found something that I've been looking for all summer long. I found a pool, so I'm so happy that I finally found one. I wanted to get one of the bigger pools, but I couldn't find one of those, but I did find the smaller one. So any pool at this point is just definitely going to be a game changer for Charlie, because poor Charlie he's still getting around, you know. He still gets up, he walks, he eats. He's eating right now. He's in with the crowd over there just eating up a storm, and he just looks really bad. So, you know, he doesn't look the greatest. We always make sure that we put food close to him. All the ducks are kind of bugging him at the moment. But, you know, like I said, he will get up, he will walk around, and see, he's like, oh, look, a pool. Hold on, Charlie, wait. I still got to put water in it, Charlie. There's no water in it yet, buddy. Let me get some water. Hold on, buddy. I know you're excited. You're excited, but you got to wait. I still got to put the water in it. There's no water in it. Zion. He is excited. Look, he saw the pond and he's like, oh my gosh. Or the pool, I mean. So let me find the hose. Oh, Charlie is going to be so happy. Always a battle with the baby goats. They get out of everything. They are little monsters.
Want me to go fill it up?
You mean turn it on?
Yeah.
I already turned it on. I'm just trying to get the longest hose in the world. Hold on, hold on. Let him do it himself.
Alright, fine. Charlie, look.
Hold on. Charlie!
He's running away.
I know. Charlie, look! Charlie! Come on, buddy!
Okay, let's let him run away for a little bit. And catch
Charlie,
him
look!
up. Lady, this is not for you.
Come on, Charlie! Come on, buddy! Don't splash him.
It's not gonna hurt him.
I know. They're gonna get to it first. Ugh. Come on, Charlie! Charlie!
Just let it fill up all the way and then let him jump in. They're like, oh, run. Where's he?
He's going towards the back of the tree,
Yeah, well,
hiding.
he hides? That's where he hides?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. But, look at the flies in there.
It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah. Take control, please. Think I should put him in there now? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my
What?
goodness gracious, there's too many flies over there.
Well, just grab Charlie.
No, keep it in there. He's gonna want it. See, now he's happy. Man, he loves it.
Yeah, I know.
It probably helps his leg. So think about it.
Helps his beak.
He's making weird noises.
Well, that's the Muscovy making those noises.
Not that. Hey, see that? I kind of sounded like Donald Duck for a minute.
That's okay.
He's so happy.
He is happy.
I bet you're gonna be in there for the rest of the night. I'm not that around with you, but
If he wants to, he can. All right, will you go turn off the...
yes, ma'am.
Thanks. No, Charlie. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, that's it. Actually, hold on. Let me check the trough over here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, the trough is full. Everything else still has water. We're good. I shouldn't have put the water on him. He gets so temperamental. Sometimes he likes the water and sometimes he doesn't want you to put water on him. He likes to do it at his own pace kind of thing. But everybody's going to enjoy the fresh water. Lady, you got to leave Charlie alone. He can't play like he used to.
And he getting old. Hey, did you just see that?
I did. He was just getting him back for earlier, I guess.
Did he do something earlier?
Well, you said that Charlie snapped at him.
Oh, well, yeah. Yes, he did.
Charlie, get it from the pool. I bought the pool for you, Charlie. This is your pool, buddy.
Man, I feel so bad for him.
I'm sure as soon as we walk away, Charlie will go back to that pond and enjoy himself over there. But while we're outside and sweating to death with all of these gnats, because the gnats are out big time, let's look at something super cute. Hi, Hazel Basil. Hi. You being a good girl? What's that down there? Is that your baby?
to him.